Yeah, good afternoon, Leonians. Good afternoon, all. Me na Fufana as Ade Kenema. I can Kenema purposely one of the issues them. Now for can give una coverage, but the road work way they go on now. Fambulem. We dey see so many fake and propaganda, cheap, baseless, political post them they go on social media say from the main opposition party say Kenema they don't terminate the contract or make Kenema in Township Road. Then say President Bill don't terminate the contract from Pavi Fort Construction Company. Where Fambulem, una no say me dey for give una update. Then I take me time for visit Kenema for tell una say that story did a lie, that a big lie. Fambulem, ya na Duhaila Street. Now, Duhaila Street, you know, Kenema, the operation they go on aggressively. They don't tackle so many streets them inside Kenema. Me na Fufana way they give una updates for debunk the news where the APC talk na social media say then don't terminate Pavi Fort Construction Company then contract for make Kenema na lie. The people of Eastern Region and Kenema to be precise, I want to tell una say this work they go on and una they see clearly waiting to go on inside una town. The road construction under the leadership of President Bio they go on aggressively. This na Duhaila Street. For you where is Abi Kenema, you know say this na Duhaila Street. And at the show una clearly waiting to go on now. The job they go on aggressively by Pavi Fort Construction coming and they don't tackle so many roads them inside Kenema. Una they see now it's they go on na ya na Duhaila Street inside Kenema. The fake news where they go on social media say they don't stop this project. Now big lie. This na Kenema City. This na the way they go on na ya. You can see clearly that is where the machine the prime they put the tar now this part of the road. When they see the beauty, this is sustainable infrastructure development now what they do now. When I take a look how powerful and not all of these streets here, but they permit for cool streets, Goma Street, Dakia Street, President Bio Street, the Londoner Reservation, Anti-Corruption Road, so many streets them inside Kenema they go on. By the time that they finish this project, now new brown Kenema we they get, new brown city with so many tar road them inside Kenema City. Me na Fufana they give una update, but the fake propaganda news where the main opposition talk say they don't stop this project, they don't terminate it. And a big line, I make me Fufana there. They give una coverage for this particular project under the leadership of President Bio. And all people's Congress social media they go and talk say Fufana, now you can talk about the road work them. Kenema they don't terminate na lie, na big line. I dey Kenema now for give una coverage for this road project where they go on inside Kenema. Thank you. Bye bye. I will continue for give una coverage of what they go on.